Hi, I'm Kevin Whitehead. I've been practicing law for over 25 years. I founded the Whitehead Law Group in 2010 with the idea that every client should receive personalized attention with extraordinary legal care. Our firm concentrates in the areas of personal injury protection known as PIP, and homeowners claims. When we started this law firm in 2010, it was our objective to work on cases on an individualized basis. That means that we've handled cases throughout these years with each and every member of our staff paying close attention to every aspect of the case. When the case begins and the client retains the Whitehead Law Group, at that point, your lawyers are in charge of running your case. When you hire our law firm, you can rest assured that your case will receive the individualized and personalized attention that it deserves. Over the years, our firm has handled thousands of cases against insurance companies as a result of a denial or a withdrawal of the claim. Once an insurance company has decided that you are not entitled to the full compensation that you deserve, it becomes our primary objective to obtain the maximum recovery for your personal case, whether that be personal injury or a homeowner's claim. We understand that when a person is injured as a result of somebody else's negligence, time is of the essence. As soon as possible, a person who has an accident and has suffered an injury should contact an attorney to discuss all legal options available. Once you have contacted our law firm, we at that point will make sure that your claim has been set up in the proper manner and that you receive not only the necessary medical attention that you require for the injuries that you have sustained as a result of someone's negligence, but also the extraordinary care and time and attention that our law firm has provided over the years. We pride ourselves at making sure that every client's case is handled with the specific individualized attention that it deserves and is required in order to obtain the maximum recovery for that case and for that individual. Whitehead Law Group represents people throughout the state of Florida. Our primary office location is in Coral Gables, Florida. However, we have offices in Jacksonville, Florida, Tampa, Florida, and Orlando, Florida. Whitehead Law Group works on a 100% contingency fee basis, which means at the time of your initial consult, you will be out of pocket absolutely no money. If we secure a recovery for you, our law firm will be paid out of the proceeds from the settlement. If there's no recovery, there's no fee. It is our primary objective to maximize your recovery for the type of claim that you have. Representing people throughout the state of Florida has not only been a privilege, but also has been extremely rewarding. Throughout the years, we have made connections with several families who reach out to us even years later to see how we're doing. And of course, we want to know how they're doing as well. Throughout the years, we have secured settlements for our clients in which they have received the maximum compensation available. As a result, we pride ourselves on our outcome. We at Whitehead Law Group will do everything in our legal power to obtain a maximum recovery for your case. Representing people throughout the state of Florida throughout the years has not only been an incredible opportunity, but also a privilege. Many times after cases have settled, families will reach out to us just to see how we're doing. And of course, we're still here representing our clients to the fullest maximum ability possible. As you know, in the state of Florida, we have hurricanes. We've been lucky lately. However, you never know when the next storm is about to hit. At Whitehead Law Group, we are prepared from the very first moment to assess the damage and represent our clients to obtain the maximum recovery that they not only deserve, but are entitled to receive. In the state of Florida, storms, especially hurricanes, are not that uncommon. At Whitehead Law Group, we assess not only the value of the claim from the very first moment, but see your claim until the very end in order to obtain the maximum recovery possible, which means we may have to file a lawsuit in several instances in which the insurance companies have not only reduced the claim, but possibly even denied the claim. It is our privilege to represent you throughout this legal process. I would like to thank you for visiting our website and considering our legal services. If you do decide to pursue your claim, I hope that Whitehead Law Group is able to obtain your recovery to the extent possible. Thank you for visiting our website and contacting our law firm. If you do decide to proceed with your claim, I hope that Whitehead Law Group is able to represent you through the legal process in order to obtain the maximum recovery that you are entitled to receive. When hiring Whitehead Law Group, you will be hiring lawyers that will handle your case from beginning to end. I myself have handled over 150 jury trials. We pride ourselves on not only providing excellent legal representation, but not settling for an amount that's less than the full amount that our clients are entitled and deserve to receive.